I bought 10 coins for 500 rupees. Every day they will give me 3 coins of the same token till perpetuity. So for 4-5 days I did not see what has happened with that. But then all my Twitter feed was only about that coin, Ring Financial, the coin's name. It started with the 50 rupees price. It went up to 35-40,000 price per token. Every day I was getting 3 coins. This Ponzi lasted, I guess, for 30 to 40 days. The money that I actually made, like this 500, actually withdrew 27 lakhs. And this is the only money that I've withdrawn from crypto as well.
Why don't you start with telling us about yourself first?
I'm head of MIS, Business Finance and Investor Relations at Checkpoint.
So tell us about your journey of crypto. How did you get into crypto for the first time?
We were just on a chai break with my friend, and I heard someone saying that there is some kind of a token in crypto that is paying you like 1 lakh% as an interest.
Wow, okay.
Annualized interest. So from there I got keen and I went.
What was that token?
It was Time Wonderland.
Oh, I remember Om and Time and all that gotten crazy.
Yeah, right.
Right.
So he told me that just make a Twitter account and just search hashtag time, and then you will probably would know everything that you want to know. So the finance guy in me knew that it was some kind of a pyramid scheme or some kind of a scam. But since I saw a lot of tweets and people making money on that, so I thought that I should get into crypto, and this is a space where I can make more money as compared to the equity world.
Correct. What was your first investment? Would be small, right?
So I started with Time, the coin that I referred to.
How much money did you?
I started with 1 lakh. I invested the whole 1 lakh in that coin.
Okay.
I guess during that time, the hype had just started. So not only I was getting the interest, but the coin's value was also appreciating. So when I got in, I guess the value of Time was around 1.5 lakhs. And at the peak, it reached to about 7.5 lakhs per token. And initially, if you'll see the journey, so it had started from $10, that will be 750 rupees, and went up to 7.5 lakh rupees. And all that happened in a span of 40-45 days. So I put in that first 1 lakh in that. And within, I guess, 14 to 15 days, I withdrew the whole lot and I came back with 11 lakh rupees.
Wow.
So since my first investment made 10x, 11x for me, so that made me more and more keen towards crypto investment.
Interesting. Okay. So when we talk about a beginner getting into investments, and let's say if they've not been investing in equities for long and they just want to try out crypto because it's the hype, they've seen their friends get into it, what is a good amount to start with if they do not have a portfolio at the moment?
See, if you want to go into space like meme coins where you just want to put in and lose your money, even for that, but I would say 10-15,000 is something that you should start with.
Got it.
In the DeFi world. And then if you play smartly, I guess 1-2 years down the line, you will at least be able to reach 1.5 to 2 lakhs. And from there, you can actually start your bigger journey.
Okay. Tell us about your bigger journey then. How was so you've told us about the first trade. Yeah. What happened after that? What were your biggest gains?
After that, when that 1 lakh turned to 11, after that...
By the way, sorry. What did you buy with your first money that you got from crypto? Tell us something cool.
I've not bought anything.
Really?
Yet. No.
You don't spend?
I do spend, but not the money that's there in crypto. I've withdrawn some money.
Okay.
But even that is just parked somewhere.
Wow. Serious guy. Okay. Continue.
So when I made that 11 lakhs, I guess within a span of 4 to 5 months, the whole this Ponzi coins only, that 11 lakh became, I guess, 60-70,000, but I lost it all. Again, the money that I earned from the Ponzi scheme coins, I gave it away there only.
Okay.
So, but one day what happened, I was just randomly scrolling Twitter and I got to know about a coin called Ring Financial. It was a Ponzi coin again, but a different kind of Ponzi. The one that I explained to you was giving you a very high interest rate. The one that I'm referring to now, the logic was simple. You buy 10 coins and in return, they will give you 3 coins perpetually of the same token.
Okay.
So when I was scrolling, I came across that coin. I thought that this is a new kind of Ponzi and it can do good. So I bought 10 coins for 500 rupees and I staked that there. Okay. And the return was that every day they will give me 3 coins of the same token till perpetuity. Okay. So for 4-5 days, I did not see what has happened with that. But then all my Twitter feed was only about that coin, Ring Financial, the coin's name. It started with the 50 rupees price. It went up to 35, 40,000 price per token in INR terms. And every day I was getting 3 coins. This Ponzi lasted, I guess, for 30 to 40 days. The money that I actually made, like that's 500, I actually withdrew 27 lakhs from. So this is my biggest gainer in crypto in terms of return. And this is the only money that I've withdrawn from crypto as well.
Wow, crazy. So, and you withdrew, and then what happened with the coin?
So I was selling daily, since I know it was a scam.
Yeah.
So every day the coins I was getting, I was selling it daily. Around 45th or 50th day, the people who were running the project, they ran away by, I guess, $200 million.
Wow.
So they closed the project, they closed everything. And span of like, I guess, 5-10 minutes, they dismantled their team, deleted their Discord, their Twitter and everything.
They were doxed.
No.
So while investing in these coins, did you see any factors like circulating supply, anything that would make you feel that it is shady, or it's a pump and dump token, or it's safe like that?
Everybody who was investing in these coins, everybody was aware that it's a scam.
Yeah.
So there was no point doing any kind of research. That it's all about the hype. The hype for that coin was that much that for days the Twitter feed was just talking about Ring Financial only. I guess in Ponzi coins, there's no much need for research. Even for meme coins, there's no. You just have to see the hype that's getting built up on Twitter. If on Twitter the daily tweets are increasing, the number of people following that token are increasing, that means that it should ideally blow up.
Got it. So you just ride the wave and just exit at the right time. But again, how would one know when to exit? It could be 25 days, it could be 3 months. You never know.
Yeah, it's again on your risk-taking capacity. So I already knew that almost, I guess, 5,000 times my money. So any reasonable guy would do that.
But अगर एक नए इन्वेस्टर को देखें, they'll always be scared कि bro, I'll get it out today. I can't last 3 days with such an investment. So how did you manage to, survive?
Again, मैंने ये देखा था कि first coin में भी my luck worked.
Yeah.
And this coin also, I was seeing a similar pattern. जो मैंने time वाले the first coin में मैंने जो Twitter पे activity और the way it was moving and the community of the coin was moving, तो उसको read करते ही I took the leap of faith कि अभी भी इसमें juice बाकी है थोड़ा, तो that's why.
Got you. Psychic powers you got. Nice.
Thank you.
Cool. So tell us your investments after this. This was your biggest?
Yeah.
Then what was your motivation like? How did you feel after that? And what were your next investments?
So in 2021 end, the airdrop, there is a term called airdrop in crypto. The airdrop spaces had just started blowing up. So after that, the 50,000 I just used for the whole 2022 only for airdrop activities, even in some meme coins.
Okay. How many airdrops did you actually sign up for? How many did you get, if you remember?
So I guess up till now, I have participated about in 100 plus airdrops.
Wow. Okay.
And I should not say that, but I did that from multiple wallets, multiple accounts. You can say. Out of that, I would say only 7-8 actually made me some money.
Okay.
But the money they made were good enough for your time investment.
Got it. And how would you, for someone who wants to get into this, is this the right time, or has the way passed away? And if they want to get into it, how should they get to be, how should they keep themselves updated with it?
If you are able to find the right pick, a pick where not a lot of people are there, you are able to identify the right kind of activity that you need to perform. For that, you will need to read a lot, you will have to do research. Then you will still be able to make money. But I will just give an example. So this meta ended in May, June of this year when a token called ZK Sync launched. And then people after that, they were started bashing on airdrops. But during that time only, that phase only, I did participate in an airdrop for a token called Agent. I invested about 1 Ethereum in that. So that will be about, let's say, 1.8 lakhs. And I just cashed out around 14 to 15 lakhs from that airdrop.
Oh, wow.
So it's more now on actually finding good opportunities rather than participating everywhere. And for getting these good opportunities, again, you need to be active on Twitter, but now you also need to study that this project that's coming and doing an airdrop, is it unique? Is it something new? Is it something that's already there? I will just give you one example. Like, you can get airdrop for anything. So couple of months back, Telegram, everybody uses Telegram, and Telegram has their own blockchain.
Done.
Yeah. And on that, an airdrop opportunity came called Notcoin. So for that, you just had to tap your phone daily for like 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
And I did that for 2 months. I cashed out about $300-400. So that's about 30,000 rupees. And for just tapping your phone and just for 2 months, and you're just making 35,000, it's
great.
good.
Tell us about your investments apart from crypto. How did you start? How did you start investing? What's your portfolio apart from crypto?
So I started investing after I passed my 12th.
Okay.
So it was only equity till 2021, equity mutual funds, debt mutual funds. And after 21, I started doing crypto as well. So I would say like 20-30% of my portfolio that's there today, it's of mutual funds, debt and equity. 20% is for stocks, and the rest 50% is in crypto. I have only invested 1 lakh rupees in crypto up till now.
Okay.
I have withdrawn 27 lakhs, and apart from that, 2 times I've lost 95%, and currently I'm at 60-70 lakhs.
For someone who's just starting out, what is an ideal time that they should invest every day, every week? What do you do currently, and how's the path been like?
So you will need a lot of time for sure. You should, even during my office time, I have Twitter open on my desktop or on my phone, because as I said, in a span of 8 hours, a coin can turn from 200k to 2.5 billion.
Right.
So if you're not there on Twitter, then you will not be able to
gauge.
Yeah. So time-wise, I guess currently I am putting for the airdrop parts, I would say every day 1.5 to 2 hours. So this will include my research about a new project that I would want to participate in, and then also the activities that I want to do for that airdrop. So the major chunk goes there, and then you can say 1.5 hours more I spend on Twitter to grasp knowledge that may be for meme coin or for NFTs, or I will just talk to new people in different NFT groups and try to get to know about a new opportunity.
So now you're into airdrops, or do you also do other things?
Portfolio that I have in crypto, I have around 60 to 70 lakhs in crypto currently. Out of that, if I bifurcate my portfolio, so 15-20 lakhs is the money that I use only for airdrop activities.
Okay.
So it might be a new project that's coming up, or new blockchain. So basis that I distribute my money. Because nowadays, good airdrops, like if you want to hunt good airdrops, you will need to have a good capital.
Right.
Because more and more people, 22 or 23 में क्या था कि people were not aware कि airdrops करके कोई चीज़ है. Now more and more people are becoming aware of it. Some of the institutions are also participating in airdrops through multiple wallets, multiple accounts. So you need to have a good capital if you want to get into good return paying airdrops. So 15-20 lakhs I use for that.
Okay.
15-20 lakhs would be in NFTs. So I have an NFT of Bored Ape Yacht Club.
Oh, nice.
So I have the mutant ape.
Okay.
Then I have Negod.
Okay.
I have different, some of the Bitcoin NFTs also. But
tell us about mutant. Tell us about NFTs in the first place. We'll get back to the question of what other things you invest in. But NFTs was such a hype. 2021, that summer of 2021. Now we don't see it anywhere. We've had BAYC, Bored Ape Yacht Club at high, and now it's just flailing somewhere. What is this? Will it ever come back? Should people now get into NFTs? What's your take on this?
So I have just recently invested in NFTs. So I personally believe that yes, there is some scope that the prices will blow up. But just a caution that this 15-20 lakhs when I originally invested, it was 40. So it has already, from my investment, it has already reduced by 50%.
Right.
So I'm just hopeful, like now I've just invested, and more like what I've seen is now NFTs are becoming more like being a part of a community instead of driving any value. It's more like, yeah, I have a DGOD. I personally use Utes, a sub-project of DGOD as my profile picture everywhere.
Okay.
So it's more like on a community now, like people will support anybody holding a DGOD, or people will support anybody holding a Bored Ape. So now it's moving to that direction. I just invested recently once I had enough money. So I just wanted to be part of that community. What happens now is that if you're part of these NFT communities, you are able to get other opportunities. Like I've been able to, through contacts that I made within their Discord or Twitter groups, I've been able to invest in seed rounds of some of the upcoming crypto projects.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So now NFTs, I am using more like as a part of like communicating, getting to know people who are at the top in the crypto space.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, so getting back to your investments.
So 15-20 for airdrops, 15-20 is in NFTs, and the rest is equally between some meme coins or DeFi strategies. So meme coins, Doge and Shiba are the coins that everybody know. But there are certain meme coins that that I've seen blowing up like anything. There was one coin that I saw on my Twitter timeline, and it reached from 200K to $3.5 billion of market cap in a span of 8 hours.
8 hours?
8 hours.
Wow. Was this Pepe?
It was Dorami.
Oh yeah.
Dorami, yeah.
Something like that was blown up on Twitter.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
And within a span of 2 days, the project blew up. It got closed. People ran away with the money, but people were able to cash out. I saw a guy turning $100 to $100K. Yeah. So anything random can blow up in a meme coin. At that point of the time when I saw that coin, I thought that 200K market cap is a bit high. I should not invest in it. But again, so luck was not in for me. So meme coins का ऐसे ही रहेगा. मतलब basically, again, everything depends on culture, community, Twitter following, how many people are talking about it, how many people want to be associated with that coin. Whether you'll see some of the random big singers also promoting a coin. So anything can happen for a meme coin. You wouldn't believe that there was a coin called Water.
Achha.
It came on Solana, and it was promoted by Messi on his Instagram account. Yeah. So anybody can get associated with a meme coin, and he got a lot of backlash for that. But he on Instagram promoted that coin. Meme coin game is basically हर बंदा ये सोचेगा कि मैं पैसा डाल के फटाफट निकल जाऊंगा. The person incurring the loss is जो last में पैसा डालता है.
Right.
So there are only few meme coins जो कि which are still legit, that are still there. Otherwise, most of the meme coins that you'll see have died down. They can die down within 1 day, 1 month, 6 months, or 1 year. So that's what has happened for meme coins. But I have some positions in meme coins. And then the other part, the last bucket, within this 25 lakhs, you can say that 5 to 10 lakhs is in meme coins. And the rest part I use for DeFi strategies. So similar, what is DeFi strategies? Basically, in simple terms, if you put your money in a bank or an FD, you will get 6 to 7% interest. Similar kind of activity, though much more complex in crypto. You can do certain kind of activities, certain kind of strategies from which you can earn up to 15-16% annualized interest. So it's like some kind of a safe investment.
Fair.
So the crypto that I want to keep for long term, that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, the long term portfolio that I'm building, I usually stake them in these various DeFi strategies in order to earn some interest on that.
Got it.
So that's a gist of my crypto portfolio.
Okay. So let's say now someone wants to get into this part of it, the DeFi strategies, which is staking, yield farming, pooling, right?
Yeah.
How should they start learning about it? And how should they get into it? What are the platforms that they could, read about and then put their money in?
The DeFi world in crypto is very big.
Yeah.
There are thousands of projects, thousands of, I would not say chains, but hundreds of chains.
Right.
So every chain would have their own projects. Then there will be a project that is combining 2-3 chains and etc. etc. So what I personally use, I can tell you that from those only I've researched. So I use, on Binance, I used Kinza. It's a good platform on where you can lend and borrow USDT, USDC. You will get a spread of 3 to 4%.
Okay.
So you'll have to actually see at that point of time when you're investing. But let's say, for example, I go in with $100. I invest that USDT $100. I invested that at a 8% return. Then I can borrow USDC, another token in crypto, at 4 to 5% interest rate. So I've gotten a gap of 3% as a income. Then again reinvest the same amount within the same platform or another platform, and that's how you can make a strategy for yourself.
Cool. So that was your portfolio.
Yeah.
Now tell us about your biggest losses.
Yeah, I've faced huge losses in crypto, and that's where I would want to tell everyone that being a new asset class, crypto is still risky. Whatever money that you are trying to put in the DeFi world, you should be aware that you can lose it.
Right.
Personally, I've been in crypto for, I guess, now 4 years now, and I've lost money 2 times. I've been losing money here and there every now and then, but there are 2 major times that I've lost my money. So, as I said in the beginning, I started with 1 lakhs. In 2023, 2023 के mid में I reached about 60 lakhs का portfolio. Then at that point of time, I had the belief that, okay, I should keep all my assets in one wallet. And somehow the full wallet got hacked.
Which wallet?
It was MetaMask.
Your MetaMask got hacked? How come?
Even I don't know. I would have connected with some kind of dApp that got hacked or whatever happened. So I lost. Somehow they got access to my seed phrase, or I gave permissions.
Bro.
So.
Okay.
So I lost about 95% of my money.
This was when?
2022, 2023. I don't actually remember the years exactly.
Okay.
The second time I remember it happened in 2023.
Huh.
It happened during the Luna collapse.
Oh damn. We've all been burnt.
Yeah. But I got burnt pretty huge because at that point of time, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था कि महीने 2 महीने पहले I thought that I should sell all my crypto and just use the Luna platform, and then it got dumped like anything. Then I again lost my money. 2 times I will say that I'd reached 60 lakhs, I lost 95%. Then I reached 60 lakhs, then I lost 95%. And now I'm back again at 60-70 lakhs. So it's like a psychological God-given barrier कि इससे ज़्यादा portfolio जा नहीं रहा.
And now you've crossed it?
So it's still in 60-70 lakhs.
But at all times, you should only invest as much money as you're ready to lose.
Right.
It's just a spare money for you.
Yeah.
Got it.
So, but if you want to put in money in the second kind of investor that I told you, right? The passive investor, where he just wants to put in money, park it. So that is less riskier, but you should also have the capacity to see the price fluctuations. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि in crypto 50-20% का move can happen even for a top coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. So you should have that risk-taking capacity. The risk will be lower than the DeFi world, but the returns will also be lower.
Investment versus
Passive
trading. Correct. Fair. Okay. Tell us, how can we be aware of these scams and not burn our money in such Ponzi schemes? तो उससे कैसे बचे?
From the 2 mistakes that I've made, I've realized that you should not keep everything in one wallet, even if it's a ledger. So,
do you want to quickly explain hot wallet, cold wallet?
Yeah, ledger is something that will help you save. It's basically an additional kind of security. So there are 2 kinds of wallet in crypto, where you can directly access, that's MetaMask, Phantom and all. And then if you want to put an additional level of security, so that's a cold wallet, and that can happen through Ledger. I personally use Ledger Nano S. Use a lot of wallets, as much wallets as you can. You will have to keep track of everything, But for any new kind of app that you are or project that you're interacting with, if you use a new wallet, that will help you save your money.
Got it. Interesting. So for a beginner,
Right.
it's safe to say that there are two types of wallets, a hot wallet and a cold wallet.
Right.
A hot wallet is something which is online,
Correct.
which you can connect easily.
Right.
A cold wallet is something that is stored at home, which is not generally that connected to the internet. It's much more safer.
Yeah. It's ideally it gets connected through your laptop and everything, even the cold wallet, but it's much more, you can say, a safer option.
Correct. And one should always use, if we're going to something like, of course, DeFi is that risky.
Right.
So you'll always keep experimenting with new projects.
Right.
So keep multiple wallets for that.
Right.
Got it.
So
and just be aware of what you're investing in as a new investor.
Right.
Now tell us, if someone's starting just today,
Right.
or 1 month down the line, what is their journey supposed to be like? How should they start investing? What should they read? What should be their initial investment, so to say?
So again, investment is as per your risk-taking capacity.
Okay.
So, but at least if you have a good portfolio, so at least I would say 5 to 10% should be there in crypto in the beginning. You can use 5 to 10% of your capital in crypto. How do you want to go into crypto in that space? So there will be two kinds of people. One who want to put in a lot of effort, like me, and one where they just want to buy some tokens for long term and then leave it apart. But majorly for the first kind of people, I would recommend that if you are active on Twitter, if you are following the right people, you will get some kind of information first that will help you make money. And for the second kind of people who don't want to put in that much effort, so for them it's majorly like just you should have a centralized exchange account and invest in top 10-12 coins that are there in the crypto space.
Got it. So it's safe to say ki identify what you want to do first.
Correct.
Active investor or a passive investor.
Right.
For an active investor, you need to get into DeFi, which makes you more money.
More money, right.
And we'll get into how to make more money in DeFi, what are the different ways to actually get into it. For a passive investor, you can just buy the Bitcoin and the top 3-4 coins according to the market cap. Research a little, be interested in what your investments have been till now. Matlab investor ki tarha, they can get back to their investments like.
But for the passive investor, you cannot assume that you will be able to multiply or multifold your money.
Okay.
I personally believe if you want to do that, then you will have to be in the DeFi space.
Can you draw a parallel between equity investments and crypto investments?
For me, both of them are an asset class. It might be different for different kind of people. People who are not accepting crypto today, they might not treat it as an asset class. So if I'll just tell you quickly the journey of equity in India. So everybody would agree to it that up till 2005, 2006, or we can say after the 2008, till the 2008 crisis, people were in the rejection phase that, okay, very limited people are investing in equity. And जो भी दूसरे लोग हैं, they are just rejecting it कि it's not an asset class. We'll park our money in gold, FD, or the savings interest, or real estate. I guess that from there till 2020-21, till the COVID came, it was an acceptance stage. Look, people were talking. You would see people telling other people, okay, यार देखो stocks में invest करना चाहिए, mutual funds में invest करना चाहिए. It's a good way to park your money.
Right.
And now if you'll see, it's like a boom phase where every other person is investing in equity. Friends के बीच में conversation point today is stocks.
IPOs, stocks.
Yeah, right. मैंने इतना पैसा बना लिया, इतना पैसा बना लिया. So if I compared that with crypto, what I currently feel is it's an acceptance stage worldwide. People are still accepting it. The people who got in early in the rejection phase, they have already made a lot of money. Just a comparison I will give you. If you would have put in 5,000 rupees in 2010-11, or let's say 2015 also.
In 17 also, I think, na?
Yeah, in Bitcoin and in Nifty. So Nifty would have given you 5x, like 70,000-80,000 it would have made till now.
Achha.
But that investment in Bitcoin would have made you 50-60 lakhs or maybe a crore also.
Around a crore.
Yeah.
Easy.
Ideally, it's at 5 crores, it almost 100x within that. 1000x between 2015 to till now. But so abhi acceptance stage hai. I feel the boom stage is still left. I don't know when it will come, but it will come for sure. My point to a person who wants to invest in crypto is that if you believe that crypto is in an acceptance stage and there will be a phase where every second guy or girl is investing or talking about crypto, then you should invest passively.
Yeah, and now with institutional investments also happening,
Correct.
adoption will increase.
Yeah.
And more adoption, more price.
Right.
Correct. Okay. Cool. Yeah, this has been such a great learning.
Yeah.
One last question for you. If someone's hearing about cryptos and all of these things for the first time, or someone's been in the space, wants to do better, wants to earn more,
Correct.
what are your advice? Something that they should do, something that they shouldn't do?
First thing they should know is that it's a risky investment.
Right.
If you are a new guy, put in whatever money that you are ready to lose. I've seen people losing lakhs of money in crypto. Second is be active. I would want you to be an active investor and not a passive investor, because that is the area where you will be able to actually make some kind of return that will make you more and more interested in crypto space. Third is always be active on Twitter. If you want to be in this space, Twitter can literally tell you everything.
Since we've talked so much about Twitter, do you have top 3 crypto bros to follow? Someone? Yeah.
I do follow a lot of people.
Yeah.
So for airdrops, there is Crypto Telugu.
Okay.
So he has been very good in airdrop opportunities. In NFT space, I just follow Frank DeGots. He is the founder of DeGots project.
Okay.
And then there are a lot of other people that I follow. There is NSEAM for meme coins. I follow all of these people, but again, I know all of them are here to make money for themselves.
Absolutely. Yeah.
If they are telling you anything, they are telling you because they are getting something in return.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of influencers in the Twitter space where they will promote a project for money. But I have a very low follower count. I just have 2,000 people that follow me, and a very low viewership as well. But even I get sometimes offer that, okay, put in a tweet for our project, I will give you $100.
Chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. Stay away from this.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. Yeah, this was very interesting conversation. I'm sure everyone got to learn so much about it. You instilled a hope. कि भाई बहुत तरीके हैं पैसा कमाने के, अगर if you do it right, you have a lot of ways to do it. Just be very well researched, be aware of what you can and cannot do, should or should not do ideally, and just diversify in wallets as well as your investment.
That's it.
Correct.
Right.
Correct. Great conversation, man. Thank you so much.
Same much.